Application methods of 3 trees masonry paint. Granite paint. 3 trees masonry paint. Granite paint, also called waterborne granite paint. And it can be customized according to the real stone sample. We use water as medium, so it is safety, health, and eco-friendly, with no heavy metals and radioactive materials. Besides, our granite paint can highly imitate the real stone effect. Next, we'll introduce you to the application methods of granite paint in detail. Necessary material: 3 trees anti-cracking exterior rough putty, 3 trees exterior fine putty, 3 trees polish putty, 3 trees matching granite primer, 3 trees middle paint, 3 trees granite paint, 3 trees matching top coating. Step 1. Substrate treatment. Substrate inspection. The substrate should be flat, clean, and non-flaky. Dust weather and rainy day are not suitable for application. Step 2. Apply cracking resistant putty. Lay glass fiber grid cloth. Apply 1 coat cracking resistant putty to the area that is slightly bigger than a piece of grid cloth. Thickness is about 1.6 millimeter. Press grid cloth resistant to crack into the wet putty. Immediately apply second coat putty when first coat putty touch dried. Putty should cover grid cloth. Total thickness is between 1.5 to 2.5 millimeters. 1. Each grid cloth should cover one another for at least 70 millimeters. 2. Add more grid cloth for each corner, 45 degrees, when dealing with doors or windows. 3. Grid cloth across corners should be continuous. Step 3. Apply exterior flexibility putty. Finely scrape putty to ensure putty film plane, solid and well proportioned. Thickness of each coat should not exceed 2 millimeters. Step 4. Apply polish putty. Apply polish putty after polished and surface dust cleared. Beware to use equal power while scraping putty to ensure putty film flat, solid, and well proportioned. Each coat shall not exceed 2 millimeters. Step 5. Sanding the putty. Select suitable polishing methods and tools to smooth the scraping trace and rugged place of putty on substrate surface. Water. Water maintained 2 to 3 times. Step 6. Sealing treatment. Clean surface dust after polish. Deposit alkali-resistant sealer on the putty surface uniformly. Evenly stir the sealer before using. Step 7. Apply. Apply primer after sealer thoroughly dried. Filter before brushing. Then brush 2 coats evenly and uniformly. Draw a division line in advance if needed. Then paint the base color. Stick masking paper after the color thoroughly dried to avoid pollution during the next step. Step 8. Spray granite paint. Spraying granite paint after primer thoroughly dried. Stir multicolor paint before using. Should not be too fast or use electric tools. The thickness and color should be uniform. Immediately remove masking paper after spraying. Scratch with knife for where is hard to peel off. Protect film carefully. Step 9. Apply top coat. Applying top coat after granite paint dried. Top coat must be formed at the first time. Note: evenly apply, cannot be too thick or too thin. Spray the complete atomized paint on the substrate. Compare with the stone and tile material. Not only provide to the adornment effect and greatly reduce the cost. Easy construction. Ultra-low architecture subject load. No falling risk.